Women fall for charming men, not because these men are necessarily handsome or particularly successful, but because these men know how to use words to their advantage. Men who can tell stories and amusing anecdotes hold a significant advantage in the realm of seduction. Researchers at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill and SUNY Buffalo confirmed this theory with a series of long-running experiments. The researchers discovered that women were more attracted to men who had good storytelling abilities compared to men who rarely told stories. Men who were able to recount memorable experiences, anecdotes, or stories were perceived as more socially intelligent and desirable. Furthermore, the researchers found that a man's ability to use words skillfully to entertain and charm indicates that the man was more likely to be popular and have good leadership potential. It should be noted that using words to charm doesn't require great skill or unassailable talent. To charm a woman, all you have to do is engage her on a wide variety of topics to elicit an emotional response. To strengthen the connection between yourself and a woman, you mustn't be afraid to show your vulnerable side, if only for a moment. No one likes to be around people who appear too perfect and in control all the time. If you appear too perfect, you run the risk of alienating women as well as the people around you. Instead, you must show occasional moments of vulnerability by opening up and revealing small, intimate details about your life. Moments of candid self-disclosure can help to lower a woman's defenses. Still, you must remember not to reveal too much too soon. When you disclose personal information, you must only let a woman catch a brief glimpse of your soul before closing yourself back up again. Indeed, it's been found that brief moments of candid self-disclosure allow a woman to feel greater levels of trust and comfort. If you aim to create a close connection with a woman, there's no better way to achieve this than to ask the occasional penetrating question, peppered with selective self-disclosure. All humans have insecurities and frustrations that we must deal with on a daily basis. Such is the nature of life. Your ability to show moments of empathy tinged with vulnerability is an endearing quality in a harsh and unforgiving world. If you truly want to connect with women, first you must learn to relate to them through shared experience and emotion. This is one reason why books and movies are such popular forms of entertainment. Humans have an insatiable appetite for stories. Stories are the means by which we relate to the world and the people around us. When communicating, you must give a woman the chance to open up and talk about herself. Talking about herself is, after all, a woman's favorite topic. And the more a woman talks about herself, the more you cultivate an aura of mystery. You listen to her with intent and get to know her innermost thoughts. This, in turn, allows you to connect with her on a deeper level. Yet still she knows almost nothing about you. Who are you? What are you thinking? What do you want?